How to fix this number is banned on Telegram. Hello everyone, this is Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started. If you are trying to log into your Telegram account but you are facing the problem that your phone number is banned, so in this tutorial I'll show you some steps so that you will be able to fix this problem. First of all, go to the settings and then there search for date and time and make sure to toggle the option and enable the 24 hours. After that, just search for language and input. Then make sure to select the correct country and correct language. After that, go to the system apps and tap on manage apps. There search for Telegram. And here you can uninstall Telegram application and reinstall it again. If this also doesn't fix your Telegram problem, then what you can do is go to the browser and then there search for support.telegram and here tap on this website and describe your problem and submit it to the Telegram team, and the Telegram team will help you out to fix your problem as soon. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now and I'll catch you in the next one.